After hair transplant procedure, you may have some numbness on the transplanted area, and it may last a while. Let's talk about it and see what we can do about it. So one of the complications of hair transplant is that people may feel some numbness after procedure. So the reason for numbness is when we make the sites to put the grafts in, the first few days after procedure, there's some healing going on. Although we don't go anywhere close to the main nerves of the scalp, but the inflammation, superficial inflammation of the scalp, that is because of the grafts being sealed with the skin, or the edges of the wound is being closed, the inflammation may kind of irritate the nerves underneath, and then those nerves may become temporarily dysfunctional. For that reason, some people may experience numbness after procedure. You may experience immediate numbness. That could be because of the local anesthesia. It may last a few hours after procedure, or you may have numbness for hours or even days or occasionally weeks after procedure. If that's the case, after the first few weeks, you should start gaining your sensation back. If it's not coming back after the first month, or it's not getting better, you definitely have to talk to your doctor and evaluate the other reasons for that. I hope you'll learn about the numbness after hair transplant and how you can address it. If you have any other questions, send it to us through the comment section or through our social media. What to expect after hair transplant? After 2 weeks, you're pretty much back to normal. You see the transplanted hair, they grow, you see the kind of the final look, and then you lose the shaft on hair transplant, the transplanted hair, and then after a couple months, you start seeing new growth, and at 6 to 8 months, you see full results.